Hi everyone, welcome along to today's video. So today I'm going to show you how to clean out a MagnaClean filter. Here we are then, this is my one in this cupboard under here. Now with your MagnaClean you would receive two tools, like this and this. Okay, both are needed. Now these valves need to be turned off. We're not going to do anything first until we switch the main power to the boiler off. That's a must, so make sure you turn your power supply off to the boiler. My switch is just there. Okay, so we'll get on now. You get this key here, and this one fits these tabs here. So you can use this key if you want to turn the tabs down like so. Okay, that is now off. Okay, and the same with this one. It goes up the other way, that way there. You can see that goes off. Next stage then is, you can see this little bolt down here. We're going to undo that, loosen it off with this key again. Okay, so we can fit that on there. Don't drop it like I do. Get this on here. Okay, it fits on the bottom there. You can see once it's gone, you can't do it with your fingers. Okay, let a little bit of water out now. It should be coming out of there now. Alright, but once we crack the top here, we will get some water. This is where our key comes in, this one. It fits on there like so. Okay, and to brace it, save it moving around on the pipes, do hold it with the other hand just to crack it loose. Okay, so once the air gets in there, it should start to run out the bottom. Okay, you can see it there, dripping out. My bowl's missing some of it, never mind. Okay, now we have it, and there's the filter. As you can see, mine is pretty clean. That's the only bit of gunge on it. It's not bad at all. Usually they're really caked up badly. So we'll get this clean now. We've cleaned the filter off there now. Now you can pull this bit right out of here, okay, and expose the magnet there. And there is a rubber seal down inside there, if you can see it there. If you're at all worried about that and it's been on and off a few times, you can replace it, or you can take it out, in fact, and grease it up and put it back in. This is its first time that this has come out, so I'm pretty certain mine's safe enough to leave in there. But if you've had it out, say, a few times now over the years, and this is best done once a year, do change it, or make sure you start to grease it up a bit. Just put a bit of grease around that washer, it will pop off out of there. Okay, put that back on then, otherwise it clips in like so, and then we just drop it back inside there like so. And we're going to tighten this nut back up. Just hand tight, nothing much. Okay, we're going to tighten the top back down on this. Okay, using that gripper. That's it. Okay, then we're going to tighten this up using that little spanner. Great tools, aren't they? Really good. Okay, nice and tight. That's that. Okay, now we've got an air valve on the top of here. You can either use a key, or there is a little slot in the top of there, and we'll let the air out. Just before we do that though, of course there's nothing here at the moment because I haven't turned the valves on yet, have we? Let's make sure we do that. Simple things always forgotten easily. Okay, turn it back on, top and bottom. Okay, they're now back on. As I said, either a radiator key or a flathead screwdriver, because there is a slot for it there. So we put that in there like so. Just make sure I'm clear so you can see it on the camera, and let the air out. You can see it there. Okay, it's out. Now we'll screw it back up. That's it. Having bled then around the top, wipe off any excess all around here. Make sure there's no leaks anywhere. A little check, make sure you're alright. If you're happy with that, then you're ready to check the pressure gauge on the boiler, make sure it hasn't dropped at all. Very unlikely to drop at all with the little tiny bit that's replaced the water in there. Generally don't find you need to do it. Anyway, do check it. It's one of those things to do. And you're ready to go on. Switch the boiler back on and away you go. Righto then, that's about it. Catch you next time guys. Derek on 33. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.